On fall down, I rather fall up. I'm tryna get Drake down into the mall up. A lot of niggas hate now and some show love, but a nigga boss down and I'm bossed up.
Welcome to my channel. My name is Fernanda, if you guys don't already know. And today I have another video here for you guys. It is a makeup tutorial, so if you guys would like to see how I do that look, then just keep on and watch. Guys, I just want to tell you before the video starts that I did get braces. So you might be like, what, she got braces? Yeah, I did, and I got 3 contractions as well, and that's why I'm kind of different, and that's why I haven't filmed. That's why I didn't post last week. If you guys didn't notice, I didn't post last week because I did get my braces and I got contractions like 3 days ago. So I'm back on filming, and yes, I'll be posting every week. So, and I don't know if I'll be posting on Fridays or Sundays, but just put your bell notification on so you guys know when I'm gonna be posting. So yeah, so just welcome to my channel if you're new, and let's just get started with this video.
Hello guys, I'm gonna be using this layer palette by Bella.
So I'm just gonna be going in with this purple right here. It has a little bit of shimmer. It's not like matte, but hopefully it works like matte, because I don't want it to be shimmery, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna be placing this all over the crease. I'm just like really gonna pack it in, and then I'll just blend it after. So just pack it in the eyelid, and then I'll just blend it in like in a little bit. Make sure you want to like wing it out as well, so make sure you just wing it out. Just wing it out. And I'm just gonna be going in with my blending brush, and I'm just gonna be blending this out. This is the Morphe 576 brush, and then just gonna be blending it out. I use like circular motions, and I use swiper motion, so you just kind of like swipe it around the crease and then out of the crease as well. So you're just gonna blend everything in together. I'm gonna go in with this black right here.
Taylor about the fucking flex.
I'm gonna be using this Pro Concealer by Alley Girl, and I'm just gonna be cutting my crease all the way out. Then I'm gonna go back in with the palette and grab that like white shade, and just kind of be setting the concealer in place so it just doesn't move and it stays there. You guys can see I went in with the black to just kind of go in with it and just make it a little bit better, and it had a little bit more black into the crease. Then as you guys can see, I'm going in with this NYX glitter primer to put glitter on my eyes. As you guys can see, I have purple. Like, I kind of messed up the look because I was going for something a little bit different, but it didn't work out, and that's why I'm adding glitter on top of it so I could As you could tell, this look wasn't planned. It was a little bit different. So yeah, I'm gonna add glitter on top. So I'm just adding the glue, and then I'm gonna put the glitter. And the glitter I'm using, it's one of the ones that my boyfriend bought me. It's called Golden Eye, and it's like very pretty, like thick glitter. So it's gonna go perfect with the look. So yes. Then I'm just going to be adding some falsies. And these are the bold lashes and not so basic. Like, these lashes are so pretty. And I wear them like everywhere. And they're like 3D type of lashes. They're mink lashes and they're just easy to put on. So I love these lashes. And I also got these on the giveaway. And then I'm just going to go back in with the black and just place that under my waterline. Just kind of smoke it out with my liner and just smoking it out. Then I'm gonna go in with the Tarteist Pro Glow, because you guys already know I freaking love this shit.
I'm not gonna want to be bronze today, so I'm gonna use Fire. And just how my boyfriend said, Fire, because I'm fucking fire. So and then for the brow bone, I'm going to use a different one. I'm going to be using this one right here. Yeah, like, yes, bitch, yes. I love this lipstick. It's called Ashton. I fucking love this. Glossy lips. I got this in the giveaway from Josie. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this just to kind of like make it shine. This pimple on top of my lip, I don't know if you can see it, but it kind of messes up my lips. Like, right there, like it's on my lip, like on top of it, so it looks kind of weird. You know why?
Dura, 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 tú eres la máquina de baile. Si no tiene a nadie, vente pa' mi brazo, caile. Ese perfume se siente en el aire.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe down below. I'll be posting every week, so don't miss on any video. Please subscribe. If you don't know what subscribe button is, a red button that says subscribe. You just subscribe to it and you get to watch every single video I'll be posting. Subscribe and press the bell icon so you know when I'm gonna be posting. It'll tell you notification. Fernanda just posted a video, go watch it. But yeah, so I'll be having another video I did get a requested video, which was glam video, so I'm gonna be having that up. It's like an everyday glam I do, so I'm gonna be having that up because it was requested, and you know, if it's a requested video, I'm gonna be doing it. So if you want me to do a video, then just comment down below in the comment section and just put any video you want me to do, and you know, I'll do it. Even if it involves my boyfriend, my sister, or somebody, then just comment down below and I'll try to do that for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you guys next time. Bye.